Everybody, this is Nora, and yeah, probably not a pretty picture of what you're looking at right now, because what has been going on, what I've been having going on is the battle of Beauty Big Bang's metallic polishes versus the jelly stampers. Yeah, not that anybody asked. I don't know where everybody's been, but I had to try. I wanted to see if these polishes do stamp and how well they stamp. Well, it was more of a matter, I guess I just didn't want to give up with my first attempt of what I saw happened. I just wanted to keep trying. So as it turns out, it was more of a matter of what did they stamp with, or which stamper works with them. And I used the same, yeah. So anyway, okay, let me go ahead. And so what you're seeing here is my attempt of trying to get organized of which colors work best over, I did a test over white and black. And this row of stampers right here is pretty much my trial and error. And I am going to show you what happens with these stampers and what type of stamper was the winner. Not a particular brand or anything, but I will tell you, we'll let you know and show you what I discovered. Okay guys, so in a short summary, I did discover that 5 of the colors work best. The 5 colors that work best for stamping over white are these 5 right here, okay? And these are, so this is the what I call the gunmetal color number 8, the purple number 10, the darker of the 2 green ones, number 3, the teal, which I'm very happy to find out this teal works, number 4, and then number 10. No, I'm sorry, number 5. Yes, number 5, which is more like almost like I'll call it a red. So these 5 right here worked really well over white. And you can see them over black, but it's more of a sheen thing, you know, you just have to move it. Now, I've not try these over, let me go ahead and show you the other 5. So here are the other 5 that I didn't feel worked so, I mean, you can still see them, you will see, you can still see them over white, but obviously not as bright as the first 5 that I show you. And this one is number 6, number 7, the silver, obviously this one was even sheer putting it on. This one's number, I'm getting my 6s and number 9s confused. This one's number 6. This one's number 9. The light green is number 2. And the lilac, which is number 1. So let me go ahead and now show you what these look like over white. And I might need to change my lighting here. Okay, so I wasn't going into any particular order. I was just picking them up. But I went ahead and labeled them after the fact with the numbers. I put the numbers on the side of what they are. So the ones in the circles are the ones that I felt looked the best against this white sheet of paper. So here's number 3, number 9. I'm reading this upside down. Okay, number 3, number 10. This is the purple. The 3 is the dark green. Number 5 is the red. Number 4 is the teal. And number 8 is the dark gray, the gunmetal dark gray color. Not the silver, but the gray. See them? And the others, as you can see, you can tell, you can see them, but they're just not as pigmented as the other colors. So here's number 1, which is the lilac. Number 2, the lime green. And number 6 is the silver, is the one that you see the least noticeable one. Number 7, and then number 9 is that pretty peachy orangey color. This one's kind of like that rose champagne, like the rose gold. Yes, so here they are. Now I've yet to tell you what stamper it was that I got to work with these. And I used the same images. This is one of the images from one of the Beauty Big Bang stamping plate. This one is number 004, XL004. So there they are. And now let me show you. Okay, this is over a construction piece of paper, and so here are the colors. And you know, being that this is a piece of paper that it's matte and it's a kind of it's a rough surface, I'll be interested to see how they look over black polish with, you know, when it has a more of a shiny finish to it, or interesting to see, maybe interesting to see how they look over a matte. But see, it's more of a thing that you have to turn them on the light to even notice it. The red was the least noticeable, or one of the least noticeable ones. And you will think, let's see, the silver, the light silver, that was the light silver is number 9. So that would be this one right here that you will think will be the most noticeable. But you can't tell much of the pattern on the image that I stamp. But you can tell there's something there. But I still want to try them over black polish on my nails. I might try that as on the design before I end this video and leave you with a photo and see if it turns out that it actually works. Okay, so let me tell you about how I got these to work, and I will show you, besides telling you what happened, I will show you what happened. I am going to grab the red color, which is one of the ones that stamps really well. And you're going to see, I'm going to go with the same image. And I am going to start with Beauty Big Bang's Jelly Stamper. There you go. Okay, that's what happened. No pickup. And you saw that, I mean, this is still wet. I did not wait much before attempting to pick up that image, okay? So this was the result. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Then I moved on to a Born Pretty stamper. Same image and polish here. That's a little better. Let's see if I can stamp. I might have waited too long. Yeah, I got that one to stamp. But my image is not very crisp, okay? So it was a little bit deceiving because what these should be, there should be little squares, and here they look more like triangles. So I missed some of the image. Next, I'm going to try the Pure Joy Jumbo Jelly Stamper. Still in the jelly family. Same, pretty much the same as the, oop, you can't see anything. Pretty much the same as the Born Pretty. So right there with my squares not being square, but they came out more like triangles. So not a full image. Then I thought, well, let me try this jelly stamper right here. It's super, super sticky. Almost like a marshmallow jelly stamper. Super soft. So let me go ahead and let's try that one. I rolled it. No pickup. Okay. Let me clean that up. Push, pick up. Look at this. That's all I got, okay? So rolling was no good with this one, and pressing down to try to pick up was not good with this one. This is a super, super soft, very sticky jelly stamper. So no good with that one. Let's try my Creative Shop stamper. I'm seeing more triangles here. No real squares still. And also with this stamper, oh, it's my camera. I don't know that I cannot see it on my viewfinder, but with this stamper, I still have polish left over here. You can see that. There, I changed my lighting a little bit, and I think that you can tell better. See, so this one left, it kept some of the polish on the stamper. Then I wanted to try on, this is like, I don't know if, I think this was Born Pretty store, kind of a attempted a copycat of the Creative Shop stamper. This thing is super sticky. I mean, super sticky. So this is like an oversized marshmallow stamper. I tried with that, and with this one was more of a push down and pick up, and I was getting better. Okay, then I also had, still wanting to try to stay with the clear jelly stampers, because obviously I cannot see through these. This one is a clear jelly stamper, but it's one of my firmer ones, so it's not the marshmallow. It's pretty firm, okay, so it's not super soft. Wanted to try with that and see what happened. Did the roll, and it is looking really good right there. I'm liking what I see. I see squares, not triangles. But while I pretty much consider that one not to be so much of a loser, my winner was this one. And this stamper and holder didn't come together, okay. This is one of my old marshmallow stampers. Very soft and sticky, very much like this one, okay. But these are different materials, because this one, it almost looks like a silicone. It has some sheen to it, where this one is it's matte, and it almost looks like a, I don't know, like a pencil eraser type of, I don't know, it's hard to describe, but there are differences between those two. Even though they seem to have, they're different materials, but they seem to have kind of like the same stickiness. And for this one, I did the press and pick up, not the rolling. And there we go. Do you see that? That's pretty sharp right there. Pretty crisp image. And let me show you so you can see from yay to nay. See that? The first one I didn't even stamp because it didn't pick up anything. It was almost, it looked like this on the stamper. But yeah, so I think you can tell the differences there. So, in conclusion, you guys, if you have any of your marshmallow mushrooms, marshmallow stampers around, or a clear jelly that maybe you have tossed aside because it probably seems too firm to pick up your images, and if you're interested in stamping with these new metallic polishes, give them a go, because I think that's going to be your best bet. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this little experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, kind of an impromptu kind of thing. And if I have time, I might go ahead and leave you with the design at the end. So stay tuned for photos. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.